Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Roblox ping spikes. In order to fix the ping spikes on Roblox, you need to follow the steps. So here, first of all, what you need to do is you want to locate Roblox Player, then right click on the mouse, and when you do it so, you want to go ahead and click on Open File Location. As you locate the file, or when you see the highlighted Roblox Player Beta, right click on the mouse once again, and you have to do the same thing, that is Open File Location, or else you could just, so you want to highlight this, right click on the mouse once again, and if you could see Open File Location, or you could just go to Properties. As you go to Properties, then you have this pop-up menu, so go to Digital Signature. When you have this digital signature, you have this Roblox core. You just want to right click on the mouse. So right click on the mouse and go to Details. As you go to Details, here you have these View Certificate. You want to click that out. You want to go ahead and click on Install Certificate. After which you want to go ahead and select the user. So that's it. That will be current user. Tap on the Next. After which you want to go ahead and click on the Automatically. All that, finish it up, and you can see that import was successful. Now then, you should just close this tab, all that, and close this tab as well, and then click on the Windows tab. Now then, restart your PC and then try launching, and now you no longer have a Roblox ping spikes. This is how you could fix it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.